Well, I just pulled off to the side of the road and I came across a nice creek here. All right guys, I'm pretty excited for this little fishing trip here. This is not going to be a quiet episode. I am near a busy road and an even busier highway here next to a river that I'm not going to point out, because if I point out what river is over there, the spot will get fished out. It probably already is, but I am almost to the mouth of this creek here, and I'm expecting to maybe find some pretty good sized smallmouth or maybe even largemouth here. So I don't want to jinx it, but got a good feeling. We're in like the driest and hottest time we've had this year, and it's like about 90 degrees right now. So this whole area I'm in right now is still water. So it might not be good to fish at this moment, but as the sunset gets closer, it might become better. So I'm gonna try fishing the still water for now, and if it's not working out, I'm gonna go upstream and maybe try to find some moving water with more structure and find the fish that are feeding even when it's hot out right now. All right guys, hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned for hopefully some good fish action here. All right, so today I'm gonna use some heavier gear. I got my medium action pole here. It's 7 foot long. It's the Mock Smash reel, or Mock Smash pole, and then I got the Mock Smash reel with it. This is the 300 size, and then I got 8-pound mono on here. So a little bit heavier setup than I usually do with creeks, but I think there's gonna be potentially some pretty big smallmouth over here. So the goal for today is to get a largemouth, smallmouth, some kind of bass in the 2-pound range, and then I want to weigh it with my new scale I got, so then I can have like an official PB for either a largemouth or a smallmouth, or even a spotted bass if they're in here. So I got my net with me too, and I got this heavier setup, so let's hope something good happens. I'm gonna start with this Helgramite on a 10th ounce jig head, netter jig head. I use this all the time, but it's on my pole right now, so I don't feel like switching it. But I might try some new lures here in a little bit. Nice. All right. All right, hopefully this is the first of many fish today. Just a little smallmouth. Barely knew he had the bait. But good sign, they're here. They're down where the shade is at, it looks like. Man, that was a terrible cast. That? Oh my gosh. Hey, I will take it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, so far just some little guys, but what a start. Look how pretty they are at this age. They're like, they don't even have those stripes yet. Man, there are a bunch of tiny smallmouth over here. This is funny. I don't know, maybe there's a big smallmouth that's like tapping my bait. Can't tell. What is this one? Oh, that's a little bigger. It's like I'm in a smallmouth nursery right now. Look at that guy. He might be one of the biggest today. Okay, I'm I'm like directly underneath the highway now, and so far there have just been getting constant smallmouth bites by little guys. There's gotta be something bigger around here. All right, came back upstream. It was getting a little too deep downstream, and I was kicking up dirt and couldn't see anything. So I'm gonna move up here, try to hit some areas of rapids, and see if that's where the bigger smallmouth have came and swam up this creek. So far, only catching small ones, but that's a good sign. It's really, all the water is super warm where I've been because it's all still. But I've seen a ton of crawdads, just a ton of them, and they're all big. So I'm gonna switch to probably a rebel craw here once it starts to cool off. Ooh, that feels pretty good. What is that? All right, cool. There's still smallmouth here. Another really small one. Hellgrammite catches everything. Gotta get to a deeper spot. Holy crap, it took me a while to realize this guy had it. Jeez. Okay, that's about the size that they've all been. But that's cool to see that there's smallmouth up here. Like I said, I've been to this creek twice and have not caught a bass. So at least at this point in the creek, there are bass. There's gotta be some bigger ones around. There's gotta be. See, this right here is cool and all, but I don't think smallmouth can get through this obstacle here, or largemouth or anything. So this isn't a good sign. But I'm gonna cast a little bit in this pool. All right, I'll cast a little bit farther upstream just to see. But this right here, I don't know. Oh, there's a pretty big smallmouth. And there's a carp down there. Whoa, look at that snake. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. All right, so I was just told by a local that there's still smallmouth through here, and I think I just saw one right there. So, yeah, I think there's still bass in this stretch. That's good. It's really good news. Ooh. Ooh, that feels really good. What is that? Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Think I need my net for this? Oh no. Nope. Get in here. Jeez. Holy crap. Holy crap, that's a huge smallmouth. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm gonna weigh this guy.
Wow, that's a nice fish. Very nice.
It's about a pound, a little more. I gotta get him back in. He's been out for a little too long.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Piper? There he goes. Just one between the legs.
Yeah. All right, so that bass was about a pound. That was a really good smallmouth considering I'm above the waterfall there. I'm not gonna say that's my PB though, because it definitely isn't. Am I recording? Oh, cool. Oh. Okay. This is about typical of what I was catching before, but another smallmouth. Oh my gosh, another one. Holy crap. Okay, another one. I gotta say, I was not expecting the fishing to be this good today. But with the heat and with this creek not being the best I've ever been to, this is pretty crazy. It's becoming one of the better ones. Doesn't feel too big. It's not but a smallmouth nonetheless. Oh, jeez. Okay, look at that guy. This has been an incredible day. Just fish everywhere. Can't believe how well the smallmouth are doing in this creek. I mean, I'm expecting there to be like a really big smallmouth hiding, even bigger than the one I caught earlier. Okay, I don't have a ton of time left, probably 30 more minutes for me to go upstream, and then I gotta start heading back. I just replaced my GoPro battery and I put on a fresh Helgermite. So I'm gonna keep using this exact same setup because it is just working amazingly. So I like using other lures at times, but right now I'm trying to find some big smallmouth and I think I might come across some. I'm not gonna change a thing. Another little guy. Okay, another just small one, but I mean, I'm catching them consistently. It's awesome. Definitely gonna save the spot, come here in the future if I'm needing some smallmouth catches, if I'm on a dry spell or whatever. Ooh, is this a sunfish? It is. All right. right, green sunfish here. I don't think I can go a single fishing trip without one. Still cool. There's still smallmouth up here. Alright, this might be the last smallmouth I catch today. So cool. They're pretty. I have to say this is the least pristine area I've ever caught smallmouth. Crap, there's people throwing rocks into the water. Down here. There's another one. Oh, he's a little bigger than what I've been catching recently. Right there. Look at that. That's beautiful. Finally, jeez. These guys are going after everything. I gotta be honest, this is the most aggressive and active I've ever seen smallmouth that I've fished. It's crazy. I mean, I can literally see them just chase the bait. Usually if I can see them, I've already spooked them. So this is awesome. Got one. Jeez. These guys are crazy. They come out from that side over there, just dive over to the other side where my bait is, and just take it. That is awesome. Okay, I want to see what's up here real quick, and then that's going to be it. Ooh, another little smallmouth. Tiny, tiny, tiny smallmouth. Look at that. That might be the smallest of the day right there. Got one. Hey, not bad. This is bigger than what we've been catching. There we go. Oh, okay, I guess he wants to go on this side. Ooh, he feels pretty strong. Jeez, holy crap. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it was pretty strong. That's a pretty big one. Ah. Okay, maybe I'll go through this area real quick. Oh no, I broke my line. Oh man, I'm just gonna walk over here and see if I can see any big smallmouth. See a couple little ones right there. There's two right there. Oh, there's some going by. That's it. All right, I'm running out of time here. I'm gonna take that as a sign that I gotta stop fishing here. It's getting dark. All right, guys, that is going to be the end of the fishing trip today. I am absolutely amazed at the amount of fish I caught today, especially the amount of smallmouth I caught. This is probably the most smallmouth I've ever caught, just like numbers wise, with one little quick fishing trip. Most of them were pretty small. I did get into one that was a little bit above a pound, so that was awesome. But I'm very surprised that there were this many smallmouth in here, because this is probably one of the grossest non-photogenic creeks I've ever been in that I've actually caught smallmouth out of. Usually creeks like this just don't really have them. It was a really sandy and not super rocky at times, and there was a lot of still water, but they were doing fine. And I cannot believe how active they were. So I've never actually seen smallmouth like go after my lure multiple times. They'll go after it and then they would miss it and they would go after it again. I've never seen that, at least my time fishing. So they were super active today, which is surprising because it was like 90 degrees out, super hot day. I mean, it's the dead of summer, so super surprising. I just can't believe it. All right, I got a long walk back to my car. It's getting dark out and not in the exactly nicest of areas. So I'm gonna try to make a quick escape here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I truly enjoy doing these videos and doing these fishing trips. It's been awesome. So I appreciate all the time everyone's putting in to watch the videos. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so I can grow this channel and make more of these great videos. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one.